Greetings, island hoppers. Please join us as we tour Orlando, Florida today, which, contrary to popular belief, is the most popular tourist destination in the United States. If you've never watched Z before, crush up the likes and subscribe to this channel. And the first location we'll show you around is downtown. Downtown Orlando doesn't get a lot of attention. A great deal of notoriety due to the variety of activities offered by the parks. The Universal Studios theme park, however, the downtown area of Orlando has its own distinct, funky vibe, and Lake Ecola is right here. There is a nice amphitheater and a park in the middle of downtown Orlando. Strolling area, it's a great location for the commercial and sophisticated lifestyles. And the banking and financial district of Orlando allows employees to unwind there. As you enter the city of Orlando, the downtown, it's a fantastic location to just hang around. Area, you have dining options. You may go shopping, learn about history, and visit a few cafes. It's hardly the most cosmopolitan downtown neighborhood you'll find because of things like that. Despite being in America, it shares many characteristics with other downtown city centers across the world. We will be transporting you to the next location as the country moves out from downtown Orlando. As we pass the Amway Center, where the Orlando Magic perform, now that we are approaching International Drive, this is where the convention will take place. Facility, and I think that this is the biggest convention center in the entire nation. The two cities that compete for having the largest convention environment are Atlanta and San Diego. Alright, as we approach the Disney Springs area, which is where the real fun will start, you can see that Disney Springs is an excellent destination to visit because it is a component of the whole Disney World complex. Some food and a ton of fun are available right here in this marshy, swampy location. There is a lovely balloon here that you may climb to see the rainforest and a lot of eateries. Disney Springs is a great spot to go shopping and bring the kids, and I love the cafe there. And unwind without spending too much money because, ultimately, this is a free activity. And that includes activities here for both adults and children, such as the Oyster Bar, which is not free, but the food here is generally excellent. You know how it goes with that with the kids at the M&M store. Consequently, one of everyone's favorite Disney World attractions is going to be Animal World. This is where Pandora is located. And a variety of creatures. You may go on safari tours there. I prepared a full film about them. If you wish to watch those, this channel highlighted the Pandora region and the animal safari. Simply search the channel for those. I'll attempt to include links as well, but Animal Kingdom is undoubtedly the best. A really amazing location. I thought Pandora's Avatar world was just incredible. The Pandora world was simply extremely wonderful, and I definitely hope you guys get to see it. So we'll keep taking you guys around Disney World's other attractions. And just so you know, the entire list includes a couple parks. We just witnessed Animal Kingdom at the Disney World complex, which will also house the Hollywood Studios. In this video, we'll examine the Magic Realm in further detail. Epcot is another option, and Disney Springs is also included in the Disney World region. However, there are a few resorts where you can stay that are also regarded as being a part of Disney World. However, that iconic golf ball, which is what everyone associates with Epcot, is right there. Do some of the Epcot attractions and stroll around the park here surrounding the lake, but overall a really lovely location, and after passing Epcot, we arrive at Hollywood Studios. I absolutely enjoy visiting Hollywood studios since they have several awesome attractions, including Star Wars. Darth Vader and the Jedi Knights, as well as Chewbacca, are sometimes visible. However, Hollywood Studios is a really great Disney World attraction. And it's no secret that fans of the Star Wars saga will like this attraction. I'll just show you guys around and let the pictures speak for themselves. And we will now proceed to Magic Kingdom, where there is plenty of thrill and castles. Goofy and the rest of the characters can be seen strolling through the park with Mickey and Minnie. Additionally, you can ride a wide variety of rides, and you can eat delicious meals. And the atmosphere, everyone enjoys the parade, therefore Magic Kingdom is definitely the finest. For families, adults, children, and visitors of all ages, everything about Disney World seems to be a hit. Make sure to purchase a park pass for Magic Kingdom when you arrive here. Oh, and don't forget to take a trip on the magic carpet, right there. Nonetheless, moving on, we're currently heading back toward International Drive and heading to I'll take you guys to the region outside from the conference center, so there is more to see. More to International Drive than just the conference center we're now showing you. This location has a large Ferris wheel. The rides and other attractions of Icon Park include a swing that is among the tallest in the world. Some of the largest adventure golf courses in the world are being constructed here at Pirates Cove. A very well-liked family destination, Icon Park offers food and entertainment right there. And yes, at night, it does have a vibrant lighting display. Old Town is a lovely spot to visit, so we're moving over to the other side of town once more. It will be free at night or in the afternoon, but there are shops and restaurants nearby that you can visit to simply take a leisurely stroll once more in a more unstructured manner. Activities in the historic district. There are many tourists who frequent this region. Presently on our way to one of the many Sea Worlds, the marine animal park known as Sea World. Along with San Antonio and San Diego in America, therefore, you can enjoy some rides and plenty of roller coaster action here, or you can simply visit Shamu. And a few other marine mammals, such as the dolphin display. The manatees do have a rescue facility nearby where they undertake animal rescue and rehabilitation work with some other whales. SeaWorld, especially here in Orlando, does a lot more good than people give it credit for. And I find these programs like Shamu and the Dolphin Show to be pretty entertaining. It is absolutely incredible to watch what these trainers and these animals have been able to accomplish together. Depending on your preferences, you might want to check out that, so let's go on. There are two parks here that belong to Universal Studios, one of which is more of an adventure park than the other. Is more interested in the theatrical division of Universal Studios and the company's reputation, as you can see. Rolling Hills, they continue to host the Harry Potter exhibit, which is actually very well liked by people. Can also visit a water park when they come out here, which we will explore once we check in. The Calm Ride is one of the entertainment and adventure options near Universal Studios. There's so much to do in Islands of Adventure. Head to Volcano Bay, which features the volcano Krakatoa. Currently, this water park is among the best you'll ever encounter. So if you're here in the summer, I'd suggest you'll want to chill off from that. You can tell that Volcano Bay is a nice spot to visit despite the hot, steamy weather. Whether you are actually using any of the rides, engaging in wave pool activities, or simply a leisurely stroll down the lazy river, however, I would advise at the very least entering the wave pool to take in the go around the entire Krakatoa volcano and take in everything it has to offer, or watch the eruption there. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching Island Hopper TV from Orlando, Florida. Enjoy your journey, check out some of our other videos, and we'll talk to you all